Hello everyone, it's me Muhammad Al-Tuargi from Taif University. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to conduct the absorption of gamma ray in case of lead absorbers. So, at the beginning, we are going to calculate the radiation background, which is the natural radiation background. So, we can do that without using the radioactive source. And we can see here, when we adjust the time, for example, on 600 seconds, and the voltage to the optimal voltage, which is 800 volt. So we can easily calculate or determine the radiation background by clicking on counts, and we can see that it's start counting, and we have to wait until it's finished to 600 seconds. So let's move to the next part of the experiment. So in the next part of the experiment, we are using all of these lead absorbers. So all of these absorbers are made from lead. So we can use it as an absorber with the radioactive source in order to measure the radiation intensity as a result of that. So we have to reset here. We have to reset all of readings, all of previous readings here. Okay, we can stop and reset all of that. Okay, and we'll adjust the time, for example on 800 or 100 seconds, and the voltage on 800 volts, and we are going to put the radioactive source on the fourth shelf of the holder of GM tube. So then we'll put the absorber of lead on the top shelf next to the GM tube, and we are starting taking data by clicking on count, and we have to yes, now we can wait until all of the data is finished now. So from here we can see now it's being taking data with these absorbers, and we can say that now it's the absorber of 2 millimeter thick, and in the next step we'll use another absorber of different thick. Now we can see now it's nearly to finish. We are reaching to 53 seconds. So to save time, we'll say it's 100, so it's the count of 100. So we'll stop again, then we'll change the absorber of different thick, obviously of larger thickness. We'll use it here, and we'll put it on the top shelf of the GM tube. Then, as we did previously, we'll change the time to like 30 seconds, for example, and the high voltage on the optimal voltage 800 volt, and we're starting taking data. And it's similar to the previous step, just the difference here is to change the absorber. Now we are reaching to the 20. Let's say the time is finished. So this is the count of the of this stick. So in the next step as well, we'll change the thickness of the absorber. So it's a larger one. So we'll put it here. Then we'll do as we did previously. Thank you for your attention.